Sairam students. So in the previous class we came across two names, two characters, that Roma and Baleshwar Mishra. Who was Roma? Roma was a 21-year call center executive. Who was Baleshwar? He was an high school dropout. Then, who jammed between the women? Roma Talriza. Where? While traveling by a train. Correct? Then, so there is a girl by the tracks. The voices cried out. Which lesson is the extract taken from? There is a girl by the tracks. Who said this? Whose voices were they of? They were of the voices of, answer me, that is passengers of Baleshwar's train. When did they say so? When they saw a girl lying beside the track. Am I right? Next. Let us go and help her. One more extract. Let us go and help her. Who said this? Baleshwar said this. To whom was it said? It was said to whom? The passengers, the co-passengers of Baleshwar. When was it said? When Baleshwar saw a girl lying beside the track, unconscious. Correct? What does it show? His merciful nature, his kind nature. Correct? Yeah. These were the points we discussed in the last period. Then, so he could not control. Anyhow, he has to help her. Anyhow, he has to save her life. So what did he do? He jumped off the moving train. Though he was hurt, he didn't care. He went back. Then, come to the 6th paragraph. Baleshwar was so far away. Now he is standing on the ground. Baleshwar was so far away from Roma, he could not see her. I hope I am not too late, he thought, gasping for breath. After running for several minutes, he found her sprawled by the side of the tracks. Behenji, aap theek hai? He asked. What's the meaning? Sister, are you okay? But there was no response and no help in sight. They were alone somewhere between two stations, 5 kilometers apart in Thane district, which borders Mumbai. See, Baleshwar jumped off the train. By jumping off the train, what did he do? He was far away from Roma. He was very far away from Roma. He was so far away from Roma. So, how much far away from Roma? So much. Baleshwar was so far away from Roma. So, there is a grammar point there. Baleshwar was very far away. One sentence. He could not see her. This is the one another sentence. He could not see her. Two sentences. So how to combine these two sentences? So instruction will be like this. Combine the two sentences using so that not. So that not. Correct? Now see. So that not. How to combine? one sentence, second sentence. Now see, Baleshwar was, instead of very, replace it with the so. Was so far away. ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ so far away ಎಷ್ಟು. Now conjunction that. After that sentence put that. So far away that ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ that he could not see her. Baleshwar was so far away that he could not see her. Baleshwar was too far away. Correct? So very easy. To and so that not. Only so that not is given there. So he was so far away from Roma, he could not see her. ಕಾಣುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿದ್ದದ್ದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ರೈಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಾಗ, ಈಗ ಕಾಣುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಓಡಬೇಕು ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್, ಏನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೂ ಲೇಟ್. ಟೂ ಲೇಟ್, ತುಂಬ ತಡ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೂ ಸೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್? ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದ ಐ? ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಐ. ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಹಿ ಹರಿ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್. Then, I am not too late, he thought, gasping for breath. Gasp means to have difficulty in breathing. ಉಸಿರು, ಏದು ಉಸಿರು ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಓಡ್ತಾ. ನಾವು ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನೋಡಿ ಏದು ಉಸಿರು ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ರೆತ್, ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆವರಲ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಹಿ ರ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆವರಲ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್, ಹಿ ಫೌಂಡ್, ಫೈಂಡ್, ಫೌಂಡ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ಫೌಂಡ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪಲ್, ಫೈಂಡ್, ಫೌಂಡ್. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. Founded an institution. That's a different meaning. So he found her. How? Sprawled. She was lying in a careless manner. ಅಸ್ತವ್ಯಸ್ತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸ್ಪ್ರೌಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಲೈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ಡ್, ಕೈ ಚಾಚಿ, ಕಾಲು ಚಾಚಿ ಮಲಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪ್ರೌಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವೇರ್? ಬೈ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್, ಬಿಸೈಡ್ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್. ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ನ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಈಗ ಅನ್ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ನಿಲ್ತಾನೆ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಇರುವುದು. ಬೆಹಂಜಿ ಆಪ್ ಠೀಕ್ ಹೈ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಚ್ಚರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಭಾವಿಸಿ ಅವನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಂತ? ಬೆಹಂಜಿ ಆಪ್ ಠೀಕ್ ಹೈ. ಹಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್? ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ಓಕೆ? ಆರ್ ಯು ಫೈನ್? ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು? ಆರ್ ಯು ಫೈನ್? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಓಕೆ? okayed. But there was no response. She didn't reply. She could not reply. She was unable to reply. She was not in a position to reply. Why? Because, see the next, and no help in sight. Nobody is there. Sight, homophone, see, SIGHT means seen. Homophone, sight. This is a homophone. There was no help in sight. They were alone. Nobody was there to help him. They were alone. Where? Somewhere. Adverb. Between two stations, 5 kilometers apart. Apart means away. Apart means away. Durali. ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ? 5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ವೇರ್? ಇನ್ ಥಾಣೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್. ವಿಚ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ಸ್? ಮುಂಬೈ. ಮುಂಬೈಯ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಥಾಣೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್. ಥಾಣೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. 5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಬ್ಬಳು ಬಿದ್ದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇವ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಯಾರು? ಇಬ್ಬರೇ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರು? ರೋಮಾ ಟಾಲ್ರಿಸಾ. ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಕುಡ್ ಸಿ. When he inspected, he could see, he was able to see blood flowing. Flowing out of a gash. Gash means a deep cut. So there was a deep cut. Where? Behind the young woman's head. So there was a deep cut. The from the train, made a deep wound behind her head. ತಲೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಡೀಪ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಆಳವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಗಾಯ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್, ದ wound was bleeding. Bleed, blood, blood. Remember, bleed present, blood past, blood past participle. Bleeding, it was bleeding. Then what did he do? Immediately he should take a decision. Saying a silent prayer. Silent opposite, noisy. Saying a silent prayer. So he prayed for a minute. Lifted whom? The 5 foot 2 inches. 50 kilo Roma. How? Gingerly. Means, is it given there? Yeah. Nervously. Very slowly and carefully. Gingerly. Meaning is given there. I'll give one more meaning. Adverb. How did he lift her? Gingerly. Means very carefully. Carefully and slowly. Very slowly and carefully. ಬಹಳ ಜಾಗೃತೆಯಿಂದ, cautiously. He lifted her cautiously and made his way across the track. To make one's way, it's a phrase. To make one's way means to move forward, to proceed in an intended, decided direction. So he decided to proceed towards a direction. What did he do? He made his way across, means from one side to the other side of the track. This is a track. He is standing here and made his way across the track from one side to the other side. Correct? Across the road means from one side to the other side. Along the road means from end to end of. Along the road. He walked along the road and reached the point, reached the town, reached the city. Along idu. Across idu. One side, there is a bridge across the river. The government planned to build a bridge across the river, not along the river. Along the river means from the starting point to the ending point. So, across the tracks, how? Looking out. Look out means, look out, watch for. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರ್ತಾನ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕಿ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಂಭವಿಸ್ತದ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಣ್ತದ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರ್ತದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಸ್ತೆ. ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಸ್. ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು. ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ವೇ ಔಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಡಿನ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ ಬೇಕು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಎ ವೇ, ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ವೇ ಔಟ್. ಹಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ಡ್, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ? Crossed through some shrubbery. Shrubbery means plantation of shrub, kurchal gida, pode, adanna shrubbery, and followed the direction of the sounds. Hege hogtane? So, holding Roma in his hands like this, he crossed the track and he followed the direction of the sounds. He could hear some sounds from far away, distant place. ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ವಾಹನಗಳದ್ದು ಮನುಷ್ಯರ ಶಬ್ದ ಕೇಳ್ತದೆ, ಅದರ ಕಡೆಗೆ. ಅಂಟಿಲ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ? ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್ ಅದು. How long? Until he found the road. So now lifting Roma, carrying Roma, he reached the road. Then standing by the side of the road, he said, my sister is injured. He implored. Implore means request. Implore means request. He requested. How? My sister is injured. Who said this? Who is the my? Baleshwar is the my. Who said this? Baleshwar said this. To whom was it said? Who was the sister here? Who was the sister? Roma. Where is Roma? He was holding her. Injured, he implored motorists who driven. Who was he requested to? He was requested. He requested. The motorists were requested. Who requested? Baleshwar Mishra. Requested whom? The motorists. Implored the motorists who drove by. So he asked the motorists, my sister is injured. Then he continued, please help me. Take her to a hospital. So what was the next request? Please help me. Me means Baleshwar. Who was it said to? It was said to the motorists. How did they reply? What was the response of the whom? Motorist. But no one stopped. Nobody is there to help him. Nobody took pity on him. Nobody was merciful. Nobody took the responsibility of saving her. Everyone neglected. Nobody stopped. That morning, on December 10th, 2010, when was the accident happened? See that. December 10, 2010, a Friday, Roma Talriza arrived at the call center bright and early. Bright means witted. Bright means very intelligent. Bright means clever. Bright means quick. So here bright means happy and early. That means she started her work early in the morning, early and very happily. This bright girl. Who was she? The BCom graduate. She was a BCom graduate from Pune. Had been working there for 2 years, loving her job, talking and connecting to customers and making new friends there. So she began her work happily. As usual, there was no problem to her in the morning. Correct? Then, after the work, she went to the cafeteria. What is a cafeteria? A self-service restaurant. Cafeteria, self-service restaurant, a hotel. Correct? Cafe, cafeteria. Where in that cafeteria, where she and her friends joked, laughed and made plans for the weekend. So there, sitting in the cafeteria, they discussed how to spend the weekend, planned for the weekend, planned for Sunday program. That means enjoyed the day. Then heading home. After that, heading. Heading means move in the direction mentioned. Heading means move in the direction mentioned. So she has to reach home early. She has to go home early. Correct? In the evening. Correct. So then heading home alone after her shift. So there was a shift, maybe 8 hours. Correct? Roma was looking forward to having supper with her parents and brother. She has a brother, she had a brother and parents. She was expecting to spend her time and have her food with the parents and brother. Enjoy. And a long phone chat after that, phone chat with her fiancé, that is Vijay. Who's chat means what? To have a long chat with her fiancé, that is Vijay, an idle talk. Chat, idle talk. With whom? With her fiancé. Harte hodiyudu anta helತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. Or talk in an informal way. Informal way. about things which are not important, which are not unimportant, which are not important. ಮಹತ್ವ ಅಲ್ಲದಂತಹ ವಿಚಾರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹರಟೆ ಹೊಡೆಯುವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಚಾಟ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಅಂತ. ಐಡಲ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್, ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೇ, ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೇ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹರಟೆ ಹೊಡೆಯುವುದು. ಯಾರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ? ಫಿಯಾನ್ಸೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದೇರ್, ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್, ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ದಟ್ ಎ ವುಮನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಡ್ ಟು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ದೆನ್ ಸೊ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ವಿಜಯ್? Vijay is a fiancé of Roma Talreza. She used to chat with him after reaching home. Am I right? Now come to next. Now read the 6th, 7th and 8th paragraph once. Okay? Come to the 9th paragraph. Baleshwar Mishra. So 8th paragraph describes about Roma. Where was she working? How was she working? In the 9th paragraph, it is given the information about Baleshwar Mishra. Baleshwar Mishra has a very different story, different from that of whom? Roma Talreza. Different, opposite, same. Same, opposite, different. Different. Opposite, same. Different story, very different story. Story is a noun, different is adjective, very is adverb. Very describes different, different describes story. Correct? Has a very different story. A lanky youngster, lanky means a tall man, thin, tall and thin man. Who? Baleshwar. So he was a lanky youngster from Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. He is an unemployed high school dropout. So he was an high school dropout who had recently come to Mumbai, living with his two older brothers. So there in Mumbai he was living with his two older brothers, and what was he doing? His job hunt. So he went on searching for job. He couldn't get a job. He was not able to get a job anywhere in Mumbai. So his job hunt had proved fruitless. Nishpa. Fala kudlilla. Useless. It was of no use. His job hunt was of no use. It was in vain. His effort was in vain. It was waste. It was useless. He couldn't get a job. Now he was treading water. What is treading water? Meaning is given there. Making no progress. Failed to make progress. He could not do anything. Not to be advancing anyway. So he put his utmost effort to get a job, but he could not get. Treading water. He failed and had resigned and had decided. Resign means willing to accept something unpleasant. Resign means willing to accept something unpleasant. Correct? So here he resigned. He came to a conclusion. He accepted what? Himself to the fact that he was running out of options. Option means what? Running out of option means choice. So he came to a conclusion that I have no choice at all. I couldn't get a job. Correct? I could not enjoy my job. Why? Because I have no job. He had spent his day with on that particular day, he had spent his day with a friend. What did he do? Grabbed lunch, snatched lunch, took something forcefully, grabbed lunch and watched a movie. That is what he did on that particular day. Nothing else. Watched a movie. As Baleshwar boarded the train home, now in the evening he decided to go home. When he boarded the train, he pondered. What did he do? He was alone. Till then a friend was there with him. Now nobody is there. So he pondered. Ponder means think over. Think over. So he thought over what? He thought over his future. He thought about his future. But all he could now think of was saving a stranger's life. He could not think other than this one. This one means saving the life of the girl. Stranger. Stranger means an unknown person. He doesn't know who she was. He did not know who she was. Then, whereabout of that lady? Whereabout about that lady? She was a new person, new lady for him. But he has to say why? Because he was a human being. He had humanitarian concern. Correct? Now, read the 9th paragraph. Finish? So learn the two paragraphs 8 and 9. 8 describes about Roma Talza. 9th paragraph describes about Baleshwar Mishra. Okay? Then learn the question answer 1, 2, 3. Questions are given. Next one word meaning is given there. Fiancé. Learn that one. Then in the earlier page sprawled is given. Learn that also. Okay, next we shall continue in the next period. Sai Ram.